Chapter 1. Have you heard of the green smoothie? Green smoothies are surprisingly the simplest way of achieving body detoxification, as they can be modified to a short duration and they can be modified to a lifelong diet. Green smoothies are simply the combination of a healthy range of green vegetables, fruits, and water. Of course, there are other ingredients added to the green smoothie recipe, but the major items are green vegetables, fruits, and water. They are easy to make and they give a load of nutritional benefits, including detoxification and cleansing. This is why it is important I talk about this green smoothie. Not all smoothies are healthy. We all know that. But when the green smoothie is done right, it is a perfect way to detoxify the body and also to lose weight. Yes, you can even lose up to 10 pounds. The green smoothie is water-based and contains organic ingredients, both of which are very crucial in increasing the body's metabolism. Think of it as a quicker way to ingest a lot of green vegetables all at once. You cannot take too much. With an appropriate schedule, you can arrange the green smoothie into a diet that works for weight loss. I am going to talk extensively on this soon, but first you should know the benefits of this green smoothie.